If you want to generate video to video, then there is no direct way in Qwen to actually generate video out of video, but there is a trick that you can follow. So for that, you need to click on the plus button and then choose upload video right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can choose out a video that you have. Let's say, for example, this one right here. So now you can see that the video is getting uploaded, and now you can simply say this. Generate a prompt so that I can generate a video just like this out of it. So if I were to actually go ahead and do that, now Qwen will actually go ahead and analyze out that video clip, and then it'll generate out a prompt out of it. So you need to wait for a while. So now you can see that it actually analyzed out the video right here, and it says to generate a video similar to the one provided. Here's a detailed prompt. So you can see that this is what you have. There's the description and everything right here. Like there's the setting, the subject, as you can see right here, the pose, as you can see right here, just like this. So you can see that it even went around and added in camera movement and everything right here, just like this, as you can see right here. So you need to wait for it to actually go ahead and then wait for it to finish. So you can see that there's some audio over here as well, as you can see right here, some music, some mood and tone right here, and so forth. So you can see that it actually analyzed out the video quite well, and then is writing a prompt out of it right here. So now what you can simply do is you can copy out this prompt, and then in Qwen itself, let me just go ahead and then go for video generation. So let's just go around and choose video generation. You can choose the aspect ratio as well, and over here you can see that this is the prompt that you have right here. Let me just go ahead and then remove these out and then hit the send button. So once you do that, it'll actually go ahead and take that particular prompt and now will generate out the video. So you need to go ahead and wait for a while for it. And now you can see that a similar video is here. So you can see that this is what you have right here. Not exactly the same, but you can see that it generated a video out right here in a similar settings. And this is how you can actually go ahead and then generate out video to video right here. So it is not perfect, but you can see that it actually goes around and produces out similar videos just like this. And that is how you can utilize the video to video trick inside of Qwen. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.